Variables are containers, a small container that can hold something. You remember we studied about registers in our processors and all that. So this is where the variables will be stored right away. So obviously they are stored in a volatile. If you don't put it on, your variables data will be gone. Okay, so that's how you declare a variable. They will be used in your arrays, they will be used in your subroutines, they will be used in your functions. We will talk about global variables as well. What is global variable? Can someone help me out? What's a global variable? Standard as well. Yeah, somehow. Recognized globally. Very good. Yeah, picking up words very carefully. I appreciate that. Okay, elaborate. Yes, um, you make multiple subroutines functions in a program, and every function does its specific job. But what you want to do is you want to define, let's say, age globally, because in every function you'll be using age. I don't want to declare age again and again in my every variable. But let's say I have an array for specific jagah, मैं एक array बनाता हूँ, और मैं उस array को 4-5 function subroutines में, okay? When I talk about function and subroutine, मैं बार-बार क्योंकि subroutine functions are quite the same, but they're different. We'll talk about later on difference क्या है, but they're quite the same. So yes. No. No, don't. That's something different. देखो, मैं एक array define कर देता हूँ शुरू में. उस array के अंदर I can store the list of all the countries. And later on I make function A, function B, function C. Whenever I have to use that particular array anywhere, I can just revert to the variable name and I can use it. So I don't have to type it down. I don't have to define it again and again. Reusability concept क्या है? Okay? Reusability. In a way, yes. जो आप example देना चाह रही हैं, हाँ, just close to it. Just close to it. Exactly. But not exactly. Right? Yes, Rita. So yes. Yeah, sure. Hurry up. Come back. So that's what global variables tend to be. So casting, as far as casting is concerned, it's more about data types. Float, we will again, once I start with you, I think so. हमने दिन में जब Python start किया होगा, मैंने कि data types discuss की होंगी शुरू में, अगर मैं दोबारा Monday को revise कर दूँगा. Data types, float, integer, string क्या होती है? So casting basically refers to your data types that you have. It's very important that we should recognize and we should know what different data types are available, because it's obviously very, very important. Okay, float are your decimals that we use, integer, strings. Double and the float is normally what we use in Python. Yes. Sorry? As in किस तरह define कर रहे हैं? फिर like अगर हम print करना है फिर आपको कुछ नहीं उसको that's a specific keyword. That's specific keyword. Double है ना, float है, उसको नहीं आपने कहा. User defined को नहीं कहा. Integer, like if you want to define like float brackets में 3.14. Is that what you're saying? She means कि जैसे अगर input output देना है हमें तो उसको double quotes लिखने की जरूरत है, brackets से double quotes. Float को? नहीं, message को हाँ बोला फिर. Yes, message करेंगे. I thought you were saying float. The word float. नहीं, both obviously. Yes. करेंगे. Yes. So output into a string. That's what we will use. Print hello. Okay. Right. So if you want to print something out, even in pseudocode, you use the same thing. Generic print is what we use. It's specific to your Python, but generically we have pseudocode print का ही use करते हैं. Obviously, it will display something out. So whenever you write in pseudocode and you want to display something out, okay, output the string, we use print. So we are discussing multiple things: how to get the data, how to display it out, okay, how to store it, how to use it in an array, so on and so forth. If you want to take an input from the user, again, very close to Python. That's why I prefer Python. So your pseudocodes are quite similar to the language in Python. So you see, if you want to, this is the way we do it in Python, and this is the way we do it in a normal pseudocode. You want to define a variable is equal to input prompt of the user. Okay, for example, you've been asked to write a pseudocode to write the code for a guessing game that guesses a numbers between 0 and 99, and the user first has to input a value. So obviously you will say variables input prompt from the user. Okay, over here, I did not put the double quotes in the prompt of the user. I should have done that. It should be there. Okay, there should be double quotes. Is it clear? Right. Now, iterations obviously means that a repetition. Okay, we have discussed iteration before while we were doing Java, and we talked about for. I think so. We did talk about the while and do while, maybe not while and do while. I don't know, but for instance.
We did while and do while.
We did while and do while, हाँ. Java में कर लो.
नहीं इसके जनरली क्या? What about repeat? What about repeat?
Repeat until will be used. Actually, Pascal में use होता है. You can also use that in pseudocode as well. Repeat until, while, do while, सारे आप use कर सकते
Python
हैं. नहीं, Python में नहीं. आप pseudocode में use कर सकते हैं उसको. देखो, जो आपका while और do while में जो major difference है, that is that जो while है, while उसके बाद आती है condition. While condition A is less than 12, then statement, okay, then increment. So while के बाद पहले क्या है condition? While this condition is true, do this. Do में होता है do this, then check the condition. So you would have performed the statement once, and then you check the condition. This is why we call it the post and the precondition loops. Now you might be saying that why is it important for us to have while and do while? Well, there will be cases where you would want to check the condition afterwards and you would want to check the condition before. But why would that be? Well, हो सकता है मैं चाहूँ कि एटलीस्ट एक बार मैसेज तो डिस्प्ले हो जाए डीबगिंग में कि एक बार मैसेज डिस्प्ले हो जाए ना उसके बाद कंडीशन चेक कर लेना वरना क्या होगा कंडीशन वो चेक कर लेगा और मैसेज देगा नहीं आपको यू गेट माय पॉइंट या नहीं For example, you say while there is a certain file that you see while scanning, okay, you would want to display a message, okay, loading. So you would want कि पहले message display हो जाए before it is done, okay. So there will be times where you would want a message to be displayed first before a condition is checked. In any case. क्या बेटा? जी मैं just coming there. जो for loop है वो generally used होता है. I prefer using for loop most often because for loop के अंदर you have is a condition, you have is initialization, condition, and increment within the for loop. It's much more easy to use. For a is equals to 0, a is less than equal to 12, and a plus 2.
But it is restricted when we have number of executions. It is restricted when we have the number of executions known.
In for loop?
हमें number of execution पता होंगी तो हम करेंगे ना काम.
एक सेकंड दोबारा कर.
मतलब for loop हम तभी use करते हैं जब number of executions में पता होती है.
जी बिल्कुल.
बाकी तो नहीं हम use करते.
नहीं एग्जैक्टली हाँ ठीक है यू राइट ठीक है यस जब एक्चुअली पता हो कितने बार आपने इसको रिपीट करना है देन यू यूज इट इसलिए इटरेशन का अगर आप बेस्ट एग्जांपल है तो यू विल गो फॉर द फॉर लूप बिकॉज़ इट विल इटरेट दिस एज अ स्पेसिफिक नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स यू वांट इट टू बी रिपीटेड 10 times 100 times how many times for 0 to 7 so basically 0 to 7 8 times this will be repeated printing hello 0 to 7 inclusive. Yes sir. Right? We will हम स्टार्ट लेक्चर्स हमारा इंशाल्लाह अगला लूप्स पे ही आ जाएगा पाइथन. जी बेटा.
सर फॉर लूप में द रेंज इज ऑलरेडी गिवन.
अच्छा ये स्टूडियो कोड की बात कर रहे हो?
जी सर पाइथन
उसमें क्या?
सर मुझे ये जो रेंज है 0 to 7 इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी इंक्लूसिव.
Yes, it always has to be inclusive. It will be
पाइथन में भी inclusive.
जी इंक्लूसिव होगा.
Can't it be 1 to 7?
वो तो मगर वो इंक्लूसिव कह रही है कि 1 और 7 इंक्लूड होगा कि नहीं होगा. It will be.
सर अगर हम सिर्फ 7 लिख दें तो सही होगा. I in range 7.
For I, no, but you want to initialize from where and you want to go till where? What are you saying? For I, for
I in range 7.
हाँ, yes, you can that as well. मगर मैं ये pseudocode की बात कर रहा हूँ. I'm just generally talking about pseudocode today. I'm not coming to Python right now. So let's not confuse Python के इसके साथ बार-बार. Okay? Yes, exactly. आप एक काम करो for a while, all of you, आप forget about high level language programming. Just talk about pseudocode because pseudocode examiner आपको कहे to write down pseudocode and you write the code in Python, you don't get full marks because the question was supposed to be answered writing pseudocode. So there are certain rules we have to follow for pseudocode. जी.
while के अंदर और if के अंदर क्या फर्क होता है? if में भी तो यही होता है ना कि अगर ये है तो फिर ये.
There are two things. One is selection and one is iteration. So if क्या? Very good. Selection. Why is if a selection? Amna? Why do we call the if statement a selection? Because it does select. If this is equal to this, then do this. Else, if this is equal to this, then are we not selecting कि ये हो तो ये हो, ये हो तो ये हो? इसको selection इसलिए तो कहते हैं ना? Why do we call this an iteration? What does the mean iteration means linguistically in English? Repeating. Okay? Reiterate. Can you reiterate what you said? Okay? When you use the word, what do you mean? Keep say it again, again, again. Okay? If you keep on reiterating the word, this one sentence said in German again and again, you would learn how to say it in German.
So it would be, for example, अगर कोई चीज़ यानी if A हमारा एक ही ऑप्शन है तो हम कोड के अंदर लिखेंगे कि because A is this, ये हो रहा है, Y कैसे?
जी, absolutely. So selection and iteration are two different things. ये से करना. Clear हो गया? Right. Okay. Online students, you can hear me, right? Mic का मसला तो नहीं है ना? It's an expensive mic. Okay.
Yes, sir, we can.
Yeah. So input we have discussed. Input. While answer is not computer, you can say answer is due to input what is the password and everyone. So whenever you have to use while and end while, take care of the fact that while has to be in capital and it goes in a line. Don't just extend this and while somewhere over here. You will lose marks. Okay. So if you use if then else, okay, and if jo hoga, it has to be in the same line as if. So there are certain rules that obviously you will learn while writing a pseudocode. Okay. So that's a do while, do answer, until, see, do while, and while I just talked about it. One is a post repetition loop, one is a pre repetition loop. Okay. One checks the condition and one checks the condition afterwards. Yes or no? Aisha? Sure? Any problem? No. Obviously you are aware of this, but obviously remember that this means not equal to in case of your pseudocodes. Yes or no? Yeah. So less than equal to, not equal to, double equal to, yes or no. And by the way, we have also discussed this triple equal to as well. You will be using that in pseudocode as well. Okay. What was triple equal to? Very good. Exactly the same. The data types have to be compared as well in triple equal to. In double equal to, we just compare the value over here with the value over here. Single equal to, we just assign the value. So single, double, and triple equal to have their own role, and you should know. Is it clear? Any question? Okay, operators as far as concerned, obviously you know the operators. The modulus, you know what the modulus function do, the remainder. Like 12 modulus 5 will give you 2. A yes or no. What is this? 12 modulus 5? Come on, remainder, exactly. Right? And you can use them in here. Quotient 7 and 5 is 3. And expo, then 3, 4. That's how you use it in Excel. Excel we use करते हैं हम याद होगा आपको.
सर ये remainder 0 आ सकता है?
किसका?
0. like अगर हम करें 12 divided by 12 करें तो remainder 0 आता है ना?
नहीं, 1 आएगा.
1 आता है.
1 आएगा. Zero नहीं है.
So sir, we write it 12 mod 12.
12 mod 12. 1.
And this means that 12 is divided by 5.
Yes. And we will use it. How can we find out odd numbers?
So odd numbers का remainder one. We have divided by 2 करेंगे.
और
odd numbers में remainder आएगा 1.
1.
1 में 0.
Very good. Just took me there. You got what's there? Exactly. Very well done. Bilkul. Very well done. I don't want to go with an example right now. फिर confusion हो जाएगी. But there is a way. मैं कुछ बोलूँगा आज जो book में example आपके है, I can try to explain you that. How can you make that triangle using? Did you do it in Java? The star thingy for loops के साथ. Did I make a star triangle with you using nested for loop? किया था discuss मैंने? No. अच्छा. मैं फिर कभी जावा में भी करूँगा, तुम्हें important है, कभी करूँगा, मगर सूडो कोड में discuss करेंगे. So उधर इसका role आएगा. You know why? If you make is a triangle. वैसे general discussion करो. I'm sure you will not get confused. Honest, are you like hopefully following me, because I'm not. If I want to make a triangle, let's say triangle that starts with 1 star and ends with 9 stars at the bottom. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5, 6, 7, 9. So triangle बन जाएगा ना? So we did that ना? ठीक है. तो मैं इस example discuss करूँगा. I will do it. Okay? अभी probably confusion ना हो. We did it, I think so. हाँ, triangle बनाया था. Alpha beta से मिस कर दिया था. चलो repeat करो. I'll repeat again. I will हाँ.
शायद जब मैं आईडी गई थी शायद तब किया.
Maybe. चलो अच्छा मैं discuss किया. We'll discuss it. Okay, so we have this selection. Like I just talked about selection. We have the if, then, else, if, print, else, print, and if. Right. So you have two kinds of selection methods in every programming language. You have the if then else, and you have the switch. But switch tends to be different from the if then else. दोनों है selection ही, मगर different है. Switches tend to work in different way. For example, होता है कि a few cases use होते हैं switch entry. That if the case is A, then you print this. If the case is this, then you print this. By default, if nothing is selected, then you print this. So yes, the concept tends to be the same as the if then else, but switches यूं ही होते हैं. If then else क्या होता है कि if this condition is true, then display this. Else, if this condition is true, then display this. Otherwise, it keeps on going. If then else, if switch is quite the same thing. Switch में you will type the entry, and if the entry matches the case A, if you enter A, नीचे कोड में लिखो कि अगर यूजर ने A एंटर किया है, तो क्या प्रिंट हो? अगर यूजर ने एंटर किया B, तो फिर क्या हो? If the user has entered so on and so C, D, E, तो क्या हो? The case looks at the entire case statement, and wherever it finds the particular match, it will display that. Huh? Default, you can define a default if, for example, the user does not enter anything, and then what happens? There should be a message. Okay? So in that particular case, by default, you can use the word default. So over here, as you can see, I have the if, the then, the print, the else if, the print, the else, and the end if. Okay. Because they are user defined. So they are not user defined. They are keywords. The switch, the entry, the case, the print, default, these are again specific keywords. Now obviously with practice, randomly when we will do it, you will recognize, and obviously I can say you don't know it even right now. You usually find it. You selected A, is user defined. Okay, right?
Sir,
Yes.
could we say कि if goes into a sort of way कि जो है वो पहले चेक करेगा कि A तो नहीं है, फिर वो चेक करेगा कि B तो नहीं है, one by one, and जो switch है उसको directly कर देगा.
Absolutely. That's also switchboard, right? You would directly know which one you have to go and select. You would directly go over there. If then else way, it goes in a flow. I don't want to come with an example right now, but if I give an example of Singhala, you're absolutely right in what you said. Did you get what you said? If not, it's fine. But yeah, you're right. Bilkul sahi. Did we discuss switches in Java?
Switch taking this.
No, Java में switches discuss किया हमने.
This one.
Yes, this one. Huh? I find you a lot. Where were you? Okay. Anyway, हम ना आप दोनों ने युवा मिस्टर लॉ आपने भी किया सारा.
पर मैंने भी नहीं किया.
आपने भी नहीं किया हुआ. आपने भी नहीं किया हुआ. आयशा ने किया हुआ. Aisha, you've always been in my class. You've always been there. You went for exams. And I don't know how come if you might have missed it.
Sir, I took
Huh?
CS a month later, so, and I was not there in the online.
No, it was more than a month.
No, it was exactly.
एक 1 month मैंने तक discuss कर दिया. Really? Okay. Anyway, we'll get back to it again.
I started with Python. I started with Python.
We didn't do Python. हमने एक दो क्लास
Start
पढ़ा.
कुछ किया था.
हाँ. We just started and then I decided कि बाद में करेंगे second round. Because it's not related to Java. And we also started, which was very important part of Java initially thing, and very important part, I think so we also did this in Python, which was string manipulation. Substring and all that, index of, last index of. Do you remember all that? What was substring, by the way? This one. What was substring?
एक string के अंदर एक
If you had to explain with this particular method, what would it do? Substring.
now तो मुझे लग
It's used to split up a string. We're splitting up a string. You want to get a specific number of vectors starting from position till the position. Okay? हमने substring and substring drawn. So same in case of your pseudocode, you can simply write as string name dot length. Obviously, if you write, it gives you the length of it. You cannot write len, please. Len will not be considered right. Okay, don't confuse with Excel. Excel में yes, len.
ये इसके अंदर data types define होते हैं कि
किसमें?
ये सिर्फ like
जी, होते हैं.
text के अंदर हो या फिर
Correct. Yes, होते हैं, बिल्कुल होते हैं types. We have to declare our identifiers. After declaring our identifiers, we have to tell what data types these identifiers are. Python में ये होगा कि when we write the code, the good thing about your batch now is कि आपका P4 is practical based, not theoretical based. Frankly speaking, over the years मैं ये सोचता था कि there is no advantage of CS students. P4 में अब जो आपका A2 का बैच वो क्या करेगा? They'll get a PP4 paper and they are supposed to write an entire code in Python on a piece of paper. But technically that doesn't make sense.
pre-release material होता है
हाँ? क्या?
So what is the pre-release material?
Pre-release material में तो pre-release material भी जनवरी के शुरू में आ गया था. It gives you an idea that what type of questions can come in. But these are just 50% probability. 50% आते हैं उसमें से. But you cannot totally depend on it. Pre-release material इसलिए उनको देना चाहिए और वो देते हैं क्योंकि you cannot expect at this particular level to students to become really very high level programming quiet. मतलब they can't ask you to develop a program of anything right now. They have to guide the students कि we will be asking you to write a program where random values will be generated or where a quiz program has to be developed or so on and so on. So आप एक generic idea दे देते हैं कि this is the type of scenario that will be given to you और ये आपको सीखने पड़ते हैं. तो based on the pre-release material हम उनको different activities कहते हैं ये solve कर लो and if they do it they are ready for it. फायदा बहुत होता है. Obviously 50% to 60% of the paper comes from the pre-release material.
The rest 40.
हाँ?
What about the rest 40?
Rest 40 is generic जो pseudo codes होते हैं. अब सारा तो बताएंगे ना because the rest of the 40 is not based totally on writing the codes. It's based on the concept. अभी हम P2 का paper start करेंगे आज करेंगे. We'll do it. You will see. The questions are what? Do you know how to use the substring? Do you know how to use other functions? उनको use करना आता है आपको कि नहीं? अब वो general concepts है ना. You can't tell everything to the student, तो paper तो ना हो. तो मैं बात ही कर रहा हूँ कि P4 का आपको advantage क्या है कि you will do it on the computer, because when you do it on the computers, you will know what the error is and you can rectify it and you will be sure. जब आप लिख रहे होते हो तो I feel that that's not the right way. They did it after a long time. Well, good for you. Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Pre-release material.
P4 का भी होता है. P2 का भी होता है, P4 का भी होता है. दोनों का.
Sir, the meeting is about to end.
क्या बोलो? बोलो.
Sir, the meeting is about to end.
Oh, I'm so sorry.